funny that's coming up, but you always try hard to last bike lane.
This is the first time I've ever been on a dirt bike. I was probably maybe 1 year old. I was super young, but this is the start to my dirt bike racing, my love of it, being able to watch and even try harder than my best and push myself past my limits, because that's how you're going to get better, is pushing yourself past those limits and really trying harder. Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm 24 and I'm a dirt bike racer. Last year was my first race. I was racing the CR 125. That race definitely is what motivated me to get faster, and definitely being like casing jumps hurts, and I didn't want to do that anymore, so because in order for you to get better at something, you're going to have to fail. You have to learn from your mistakes. So I've learned from my mistakes in racing and riding, from crashing, taking the corner wrong, going too slow, in order to improve. Usually when I'm on the line, I definitely get nervous. I get jittery, and I try to pump myself up and, tell them that I'm gonna get them, like really like get in my mindset that I'll win, I will place, I'm gonna do my best, I'm gonna try my best.
Or anybody, especially a woman in their sport, you look on the line, there's just 5 or 6 women on the line, and versus the men, there's 20 some people on the line. And so it's a kind of a man's sport, and she's a woman doing it, and she's done really good in it just for a little bit of time. And anytime you can live your passion.
I remember when I first started riding dirt bikes, and I couldn't even really get my bike to start going without stalling it. It took me a while even just to do that, but practicing over and over and over again in first gear only until I got comfortable there. Then that's when I started pushing, like trying a little bit harder, pushing myself. But my future goal is to hopefully one day race in like the 250A class or the 250B class, maybe get that fast. So that's my goal. So I recently got sponsored by Cliff Cycle Center. I recently bought a Recluse clutch from them and I'm loving it. And I'm super glad that they are supporting me and sponsoring me in my dirt bike riding. I need to try harder than my best and push myself past my limits, because that's how you're going to get better, is pushing yourself past those limits and really trying harder.
That's my girl.